Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mr. USA English, the place where you learn to speak real, natural English with confidence.
Hi, guys. We're so excited to have you here. If you want to speak English comfortably in everyday conversations, you're in the right place.
That's right. Today's topic is everyday English conversation. How to speak with confidence.
We'll share practical tips, real life examples, and a few secrets that native speakers use to sound confident and relaxed.
So, grab your headphones, get comfy, and let's jump right into it. Let's start with the biggest confidence killer, perfectionism.
Oh, yes, that's a big one. Many English learners are afraid to speak because they worry about grammar mistakes or pronunciation.
But here's the truth, even native speakers make mistakes every day.
Exactly. We forget words, we change sentences halfway, we say and uh. It's totally normal.
If you wait until your English is perfect, you'll never start speaking.
The key is to communicate, not to be perfect. Focus on connection, not correction.
I like that connection, not correction. That's powerful.
Thanks. Think about it. When you talk to someone, they care about your message, not your grammar.
Right. If you say, yesterday I go to park, the listener still understands you went to the park.
Exactly. Communication happened. That's success.
And the more you speak, the more confident you become. It's a positive loop.
Yes, every mistake is a step toward fluency. Each time you speak, you're training your brain and mouth to work faster together.
So secret, it's stop aiming for perfection, start speaking, even if it's messy.
Because confidence grows from action, not from waiting.
Here's another game changer thinking in English.
Definitely. Many learners translate every sentence from their native language before speaking. That slows you down and makes you nervous.
Exactly. Your brain works like this. First your language, then translation, then English. That's 3 steps before one sentence.
And by then, the conversation has already moved on.
So how do you train your brain to think in English?
Start small. Describe your surroundings in English. For example, say in your mind, the sun is bright. I'm drinking coffee. My phone is on the table.
Perfect. You can also label things around you: door, mirror, bottle, wallet. Over time, you stop needing to translate.
Another great trick is to talk to yourself quietly in English. Pretend you're explaining your day to a friend.
Like, I woke up late, so I skipped breakfast. Or, I need to finish my homework tonight.
Exactly. It might feel weird at first, but it's one of the fastest ways to build fluency.
And thinking in English also boosts your confidence because your brain gets used to forming sentences automatically.
You stop worrying about grammar and just speak naturally like natives do.
Secret hash 2. Think in English. It's the shortcut to confidence and fluency.
Because when English becomes your thinking language, speaking feels easy and natural.
Now, this one is super practical. If you want to sound confident in everyday conversation, use the phrases people actually use.
Right. Many learners memorize textbook sentences like, how do you do? Or, it's a pleasure to make your acquaintance.
But honestly, no one says that in daily life.
True. Native speakers say things like, hey, how's it going? Or, nice to meet you.
Or, what's up? How have you been? Good to see you. Those are natural greetings.
When you use real expressions, conversations feel smoother and more authentic.
Exactly. You don't have to think so hard because these phrases come ready-made.
Let's give a few examples learners can start using today.
Sure. Instead of, I am very fine, thank you, say, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Instead of please repeat, say, could you say that again?
Instead of, I do not understand, say, sorry, I didn't catch that.
Yes. Those little upgrades make your English sound natural and confident.
Another tip, learn phrases for common situations. For example, at a cafe, can I get a latte, please?
At work, I'll get back to you on that.
With friends, that sounds awesome. Or, I'm down for that.
The more of these you know, the less you freeze in conversation.
Because you already have ready-to-use language in your pocket.
Secret hash 3. Learn and use real everyday phrases. That's the language of confidence.
Those first 3 secrets are already powerful. Stop chasing perfection, think in English, and use real phrases.
Yes. They build a strong foundation for confidence in any conversation.
And remember, confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build with practice.
Exactly. Every time you speak, even if you're nervous, you're getting stronger.
In the next part, we'll talk about how to improve pronunciation, control your nerves, and keep conversations going naturally.
So make sure you don't miss part 2 of Everyday English Conversation, How to Speak with Confidence.
And if you're enjoying this episode, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. USA English.
And share this video with your friends who want to speak English with confidence. See you in the next part.
Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of Everyday English Conversation, How to Speak with Confidence.
Hey guys, if you haven't seen part 1 yet, make sure to watch it first. We shared 3 amazing secrets that can totally change the way you speak English.
That's right. We talked about not being perfect, thinking in English, and using real everyday phrases.
And today, we're going even deeper. These next tips will help you sound more natural, calm, and confident every time you open your mouth.
Let's start with something that really boosts confidence pronunciation.
Yes, many learners feel shy because they worry about their accent or how they sound.
But the goal isn't to sound like a native. The goal is to be clear and easy to understand.
Exactly. You don't need a British or American accent to sound confident. You just need clarity and rhythm.
So, how do you improve pronunciation the smart way?
One trick I love is shadowing. It means listening to a short clip, maybe from a podcast or movie, and repeating it immediately, copying the speaker's tone and rhythm.
That's a fantastic method. You're training your mouth to move like a native speaker's.
Yes. And focus on stress and intonation. For example, native speakers don't say every word with equal strength. They stress important words.
Like instead of, I want to go, we often say, I want to go with natural rhythm.
Exactly. Listen carefully and mimic how the voice goes up and down.
Another idea is to record yourself.
Oh, yes. It can feel weird, but it's so effective. You'll hear your pronunciation and notice what sounds natural and what doesn't.
Plus, over time, you'll see real progress that's a huge confidence booster.
Secret hash 4. Improve pronunciation by focusing on clarity, rhythm, and practice, not perfection.
Confidence isn't only about language, it's also about mindset.
So true. Many learners know English but freeze when it's time to speak.
That's nerves. Even confident speakers get nervous sometimes.
The secret is to manage it, not fight it.
Right. The more you resist, the stronger your anxiety feels. Instead, accept it. It's just energy your body gives you to perform well.
That's such a great perspective. And preparation helps too. If you know you'll speak in English, like in a meeting or class practice, what you might say.
For example, if you're introducing yourself, rehearse. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm from Brazil. I work as a designer.
Yes, practice your first few lines until they feel natural. Then your brain relaxes.
Another trick is to breathe deeply before speaking. It signals your body to calm down.
And smile. Smiling releases tension and makes your voice sound warmer and friendlier.
Plus, when you smile, people respond better, and that gives you instant confidence.
Secret #5 confidence isn't about having no fear. It's about staying calm and focused, even when you're nervous.
Have you ever been in a situation where someone asks you a question in English and you answer with just one word?
Oh, yes, like, how's your day? Good. And silence.
Exactly. The conversation ends right there.
But confident speakers know how to keep it going.
The trick is to answer and add something.
For example, how's your day? Good, thanks. I went for a walk this morning. The weather was amazing.
Perfect. You give the listener something to respond to.
You can also ask questions back. That's how real conversations work.
What about you? How was yours? Those small follow-ups make you sound interested and natural.
Here's another secret. Don't overthink. You can react with simple expressions like, really? No way. That's awesome.
Those short reactions make conversations flow smoothly.
And they show you're engaged, not just answering questions.
Secret #6. Keep the conversation alive by adding details, asking questions, and reacting naturally.
Because good communication is a two-way street.
Now, this last secret is about environment because confidence doesn't grow in silence.
Exactly. You can't feel confident speaking English if you only study from books.
You need to live the language daily, even if you're not in an English-speaking country.
Listen to English podcasts, watch shows, read articles, follow English-speaking YouTubers.
You can even change your phone language to English.
Yes, and if you can, join English-speaking communities online. Practice commenting, posting, and chatting.
Every small moment adds up.
The more English you hear, read, and use, the more natural it feels.
That's how children learn, by surrounding themselves with sound, rhythm, and context.
Secret #7. Make English part of your everyday life. That's how you build real confidence.
Before we wrap up, let's share one more thing, something simple but powerful.
Yes, this one's about mindset again. Celebrate your progress.
Don't wait until you're fluent to feel proud. Celebrate every step.
Maybe you ordered food in English for the first time. Or watched a movie without subtitles.
Or understood a podcast episode all the way through. That's amazing progress.
Each small win means your English is growing.
And when you feel proud of progress, you naturally become more confident to keep going.
Exactly. Confidence is a habit, and so is self-belief.
So, let's quickly recap 7 secrets to speak English with confidence.
1. Stop trying to be perfect.
2. Think in English.
3. Use real everyday phrases.
4. Improve pronunciation the smart way.
5. Control your nerves before speaking.
6. Keep the conversation going.
And 7. Surround yourself with English every single day.
Plus the bonus, celebrate your small wins.
You've got this. Every single day, your English is getting stronger.
And we're here to help you every step of the way.
So if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. USA English.
And share this video with your friends who want to speak English with confidence too.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day. We'll see you next time on Mr. USA English.